Hey sisters, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Studio Ghibli. Get ready to unleash your inner artist because we're about to embark on a journey to create the most stunning, whimsical art inspired by our favorite Ghibli movies. We'll guide you through creating your very own Ghibli-style artwork, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tutorial is for you, sister. So grab your art supplies. Put on your favorite playlist and get ready for some serious art therapy. Let's get started. Okay, so before we even touch our brushes, let's talk inspiration. Ghibli movies are a goldmine of visual beauty. Like, literally, think about the lush forests in My Neighbor Totoro, the dreamy sky in Spirited Away, or the charming village in Howl's Moving Castle. Pay attention to those soft colors, the way the light hits the landscapes, and those subtle gradients in the sky. These movies are all about capturing the feeling of wonder, so let's channel that into our art, sis. Now let's get those creative juices flowing and start sketching. You can use a pencil, or if you're all about that digital life, Procreate, Photoshop, or Krita are your new BFFs. Remember, Ghibli scenes are all about open landscapes, cozy villages, or magical elements, so don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. Keep those lines loose and flowy, just like your personality, babe. We want to capture the overall feeling and composition, not every single detail. Think of it like laying the foundation for your masterpiece. Now that we have our sketch, it's time to add some definition with our line art. We want that signature Ghibli softness, so think thin, natural lines. Avoid those harsh, sharp edges, okay? Ghibli art is all about that slightly wobbly, organic feel, like it was drawn with love and care. If you're going digital, a textured brush is your secret weapon. It'll give you that traditional ink look without having to deal with any messy spills. Okay, this is where the magic really starts to happen. For our color palette, think soft pastels, baby blues, gentle greens, and sunshine yellows. We want those colors to evoke a sense of peace and tranquility, just like a Ghibli movie marathon. Start with flat colors to block everything in, then slowly build up those shadows. Remember, Ghibli is all about that soft, diffused light, so no harsh shadows allowed. We're going for a more painterly effect, so a watercolor or gouache brush is your new go-to. Lighting is key in Ghibli movies, and it's going to make our artwork pop. Remember how I said no harsh shadows? We're going to achieve that soft, diffused look by using an overlay layer to add a warm, sunny glow. Trust me, it's going to look like it's straight out of a Ghibli film. And instead of those harsh, defined shadows, we're going to use gradient shading to create depth. It's all about those subtle transitions, sis. We want our artwork to feel as magical and dreamy as possible. Ghibli backgrounds are basically characters themselves, so we got to give them some love. Think detailed, slightly textured landscapes. Whether it's fluffy clouds, a dense forest, or a charming rural house, paint those backgrounds with the same love and care as your main subject. Remember those layered colors we talked about? Use them here to add depth and dimension. Keep the foreground elements sharper and let those background elements fade into a soft blur. It's all about creating that sense of distance and atmosphere. Okay, our Ghibli artwork is almost done, but you know me, I love a little extra sparkle. Now's the time to add those final touches that'll really bring it to life. Think delicate flowers, soaring birds, or even those magical floating particles that Ghibli does so well. And to really give it that hand-painted feel, try adding a subtle noise filter. It'll add that little bit of texture that'll make your artwork look like it jumps straight out of a storybook. Finally, adjust the saturation and contrast to match that signature Ghibli warmth and nostalgia. And there you have it, your very own Ghibli-style masterpiece. I'm so proud of you, sis. You took those magical Ghibli vibes and turned them into something amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more art tutorials, and be sure to share your creations with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, stay creative and keep shining.